sa 2020, unsa ang expeditions nga gusto nimo? Mag-hiking kauban ang friends nimo? Before mag-times up ang life nimo, gusto ka ba mag-adventure sa nature? Well, it's up to you kung asa ka mulaag before mag-times up ang imong life.
Batang pasaway at lahat sasabay.
On this vlog, nature trip ang trending. As we move forward with my friends sa 2020, isa ka sityo ang among gisuruyan. Unya kay tag saramani, go lang ng go, bisag asa man mulaag. Unya, sabay na ta. Sa gisuruyan namo, layo jud basta first timer ka. And kung trip nimo mag-jogging, nice jud ni para sa mga physically fit persons. Ug kung view lang ang gipangita, this is it. Mabusog jud ka sa view ng nature. And welcome sa pinakahilit nga dapit sa Sitio Lumugon. Ang Sitio Lumugon is part gyapon sa 3rd District ug aduna kini 65 kilometers away from the center of Kalinan. Bali 20 to 30 minutes ang biyahe sa motor. O di ba layo? Gawas sa kalayo, dapat kini kabatuan nga dalan. Ug duol lang pud kini sa the biggest river in Davao City. Ug mao ang Davao River. Ang first transportation sa mga katigulangan nato sa una. Ug kini pod ang source of food kaniadto. Kay hapon naman kami nakasud sa biyahe, nagabian gid mi sa dalan. Pero enjoy gihapon kami sa sunset diriya. But in spite ni ana, we enjoy our dinner with my teammates before me matulog. What a nice sunrise from this place. Kana lang ang na-realize nako after nako makita si Haring Adlaw. Ug kay Sunday man, mas na-appreciate nako ang simple life sa simple sitio. Nice view, di ba? Ug dili ko pwede mag-inusara sa expedition kay na ako'y photographer nga kauban. Ug pati pud siya na-appreciate ang view sa sitio. Meet Aldrin, ang sharpshooter sa angles. Ug si Alex, ang opa ng bangke. Sa lakaw namo, si photographer Butte ang wise sa mga angles sa view. Kaya nakahunat naman mi sa paglakaw, nag-una jud mi sa lugar nga mas ma-appreciate ang view of nature.
Please, won't you wait, won't you stay, at least down till the sun goes down. When you're gone, I lose faith, I lose everything I have found. Heartstrings, violence, that's what I hear when you're by my side. Yeah, that's what I hear when you're by my side. When you're gone, the music goes, whoa, 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 whoa. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul, whoa, 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 whoa. So hear me out before you see the night is
And this is it, ang Davao River.
Don't let this be our final song.
Paghilang pag tatlo. Namot gud mi dire. Rakong videographer.
No kaya.
Kaya kasa.
Kaya.
Mo na siya mong puan.
Kay wala man minananghid sa paglakaw namo, balik ra pud mi sa agi. Kay para pud magplano. And here we are, ready na mi sa expedition. In this sitio, dili lang rice production ang gina-produce, pati pod ang pantat production. Wow! Ang area nga may pantat na, may humayan pa. With this guy, picture taking ang tema. And after that, resume na mi sa Pinaklayay. Ug naapoy tindahan para sa mga supplies nga kailangan namo. What a nice place, Jude, kung view lang ang hisgutan. Ug ingon pa niya, he escapes the rudeness of the city. Kay diri tapita manggod, walay signal sa telcos. So ang ending, magmuni-muni jud ka. And at this point, diri po nimo makita ang survival skills sa mga kauban nimo. And due to lack of signal from the telcos, mas ma-enjoy yun nimo ang view ng nature. And it's getting late na, so we decided to take our lunch together. And it ends with a budol fight.
Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost, and I felt all of the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feel like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, and you know I'll never drop. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your.